When in Google Drawings, one of the most important tech features you need to know how to use is the gray bar up here. And among the many different options in this gray bar, the one that gives you the most use is the Insert tab. When you click on Insert, you are able to add an image, a text box, a shape, a table, word art, or a line. Now remember, whenever you see this little gray triangle to the side of a word, that means another window will appear. So right now, we're going to add a text box. When you click on that text box, you're going to see that this new icon appeared with the letter T inside of a square. That means you're going to click and draw a box. Now you are able to type within that box. Now, once you have typed in that box, you can see that more options appeared. Now, if you click out of that box, those options disappeared. By clicking on the text again, that text box will appear, and it will be blue, which means you now can edit anything within that box. And remember, those options will appear when you can change something. So let's say I want to change the size of my font, the color, and the text font. To do that, you need to highlight your text. To highlight, you need to click down with the left side of your mouse, keep holding down, and then move your mouse to drag over all the text. You will see that the text is now highlighted in blue. When it's highlighted in blue, that means you can edit it and change. Now, be careful if you accidentally click again. They are no longer highlighted in blue, which means you can't change anything. So one more time, highlight your text by clicking down on the left side of your mouse and then dragging it over the words. If you're using a trackpad, you're going to press down with your thumb at the end of your text and then use your other fingers to drag across the text. Now, keep it highlighted blue, and now you can go to all of these options up here. We're going to use the ones right here in the middle. Where you see the number, you see font size. Click on it, and you can choose to make the words bigger. Look at the little A over here with the color bar below it. You can now change the color of your text. Now, if you look over here where it actually has a word, this is the name of the font. If you click on that little triangle, which in Google Apps means there's always something more to see, you're going to see that you can change the font to look like any of these types. Choose one you like, and automatically it changes to match that font you chose. You can make it bold, which means you make the lines fatter by clicking on the B, and you can click on the same icon again to undo what you did. So once more, where you see font, click on the triangle and you can change what it looks like. Where you see the number, click on the triangle and you can change it, the size, to make it bigger or smaller. But remember, you can only do this if your text is highlighted in blue. And the last one is the A with the color bar below it. Click on it and you can change the color to a different text.